Could humanity survive? Let's be honest, surviving a direct collision with a rogue planet? Nearly impossible. But what about after the impact? Could anyone, anything, make it through the ultimate extinction event? First off, if you were anywhere near ground zero, there's no chance. The impact would have vaporized everything instantly. People, buildings, entire cities, gone in the blink of an eye. But what about those in deep underground bunkers, nuclear silos, or submarines at the bottom of the ocean? They might survive for a while. But then comes the long-term nightmare. The sky is now choked with ash and debris, blocking the sun for years, maybe centuries. With no sunlight, plants die. Without plants, the entire food chain collapses. Temperatures plummet, turning Earth into a frozen, lifeless wasteland. No crops, no animals, no fresh air. The world becomes a graveyard of ice and fire. But humans are resilient. Some small groups might make it, relying on underground farms, stockpiled food, or geothermal energy. Maybe a handful of scientists, billionaires, or government officials sealed away in hidden bunkers would survive, watching the dead world above from their screens. And then there's one final possibility, leaving Earth entirely. If we had enough time, could we have escaped? Built a colony on the moon, Mars, a space station floating above the disaster? Right now, we're nowhere near prepared. But in the future, maybe. So could humanity survive? A few might. But the world we once knew, that would be gone forever.